Jai Bholi guys, I hope everybody is doing well and are in best of health. Welcome to my channel Triambaka Tarot Readings. My name is Jasmine. I'm holding the camera in my hand right now because honestly, oh my god, it's a shitstorm outside. I'm sorry. You can seriously see, I can show you like this. Guys, don't go out, otherwise you'll get the pollen allergy. I hope you've been able to see what's happening outside. Anyhow, I wanted to start the video. I'm not gonna show you my sulky face because I'm just not I'm not in a mood to dress up and everything, so I clearly don't care. That's why I've come online. So I'm gonna keep the phone on side. You're gonna have a clear view of my temple, my jyot, and the cards, and we'll start the reading with a beautiful way we always do, where you're gonna ask your question in your mind. I'll answer you in a yes or a no. There's going to be the divine card. I'll shuffle on camera the angel messages and also the miracle messages, and anything else if my head pops up I will try and take out more cards as well. So let's begin with the reading. Again, I have not chosen any choices, but I'm going to keep the phone down first and then I'm going to show you the crystals. Give me a second. Sorry for being all shaky. Let's begin. So for today's choices, let's have, okay, we have rosaries here. We'll use my malas. So these are your choices for the day, guys. The first one has a little sweet angel in the end as well. First, second, and third. This is the 7 chakra mala. This is Patik, and this is carnelian, of course. So I hope you guys are going to choose well. Choice 1, choice 2, and choice 3. Let's begin with the people who have chosen the first one, which is this. Please put forth your question in your mind. I'll answer you in a yes or a no. And all the best. Oh god. Okay. Okay, I started with a lot of high energy, but clearly the answer is a no. But you know what, maybe it's for the good. I know maybe you're not liking the answer right now. You're feeling like this, which is like heartbroken, not happy. You've been getting very defensive lately and you think things are moving really slow. Maybe it is also concerning people who are wanting commitment to a relationship, people who are talking about divorce or anything to do with the court cases or litigations or anything. The answer is a no right now. There are going to be delays still. All right. In addition to this, let me just ask as to what is the advice for you along with it. Like I said, I'm going to be shuffling today on camera. Let's see what's a suggestion card. Okay, just walk away from the thought. Really, the situation is not in your control. So all you can do it, instead of sulking and spoiling your peace of mind right now, just let that thought be. As I always say, every delay is for its good. Even if it doesn't seem like so at the present moment, whatever you're going through, but you really don't have a choice just other than walking away from this thought right now, not to spoil your peace of mind. Your divine card is coming, awakening presence. The universe is with you. Wear a cloak of protection and love. See, as there is a lot of blue and white, I would say be very clear with what you want to speak, as blue suggests our throat chakra and white talks about keeping your mind clear and pure. Don't hate anybody for whatever they've done to you. It is an awakening time for you right now. You've understood how things are, how people are. The universe has your back. Even if, like I just explained, even if there are delays, take it as a blessing in disguise and just let go. Forgive people who have done you wrong in spite of whatever it is, because you are going to be on a higher ground. You're going to be blessed by the universe in the end. You will get justice. So follow that. Let's take out the angel messages for you. Hope this one is going to be nice. What do the angels have to say for you? Get more information. Now, I don't know what situation you are dealing with. All I can say is try to grasp this card's notion, what they're trying to say in whatever way. Get more information. I really can't explain this because it's going to depend differently on your different questions, or there's so many people asking this online. So I hope this helps. I will take out a miracle card also for you. Let's see. When I move my body, I pass through all that blocks me from my true wealth and vitality. Again, you have to really understand what it means for you. I'll read again. When I move my body, I pass through all that blocks me from my true wealth and vitality. Okay, so this clearly is saying get more information is kind of making sense to me right now. Whatever it is that is blocking you, it said walk away from that thought. You could probably do something else which is going to enhance your energy and keep you moving in the moment right now. This is what's going to help. This was the first reading, guys. Let's go on with the second group of people who chose fatigue. Put across the question in your mind, yes or no, I'll be answering. And your answer is a no again. You were confused, you were going with a lot of love towards the situation. You were thinking maybe things were slow, but even then you had high hopes. Maybe you were thinking, I'm not going to take any more crap from anyone. But the answer is coming a no as of now, sorry. So let's take the suggestion card as well along with this. What's your suggestion card? Okay, you might just feel broken hearted with the situation. I'll take out another card. You might even have sleepless nights, but you know what you can do is get control of your life by not feeling down. This is what has been happening with you, but you really need to get control of your life. Emperor card means you're the boss. So fine, you've dealt with not too many good things, but you really need to have that balance in your life is what it means. Let's see your divine. Oh wow, your divine card is beautiful. That glare is troubling. Okay, now this is like the amazing card. You can get Ganesha. Hindu aspect says he's the remover of obstacles, clearly. Infinite abundance. This card can also suggest whatever it is that you're facing, start praying to Lord Ganesha if you believe. I know all gods are one, everything is going to give you protection and everything, but for now, this is your suggestion. Please start praying to Ganesha. You can even light a simple jot or an incense stick or whatever. You can just sit in front of him and pray if you don't want to do anything at all. This is just a suggestion from you from the universe. Let's take out an angel message for you. What is the additional message? Reconsider. Again, I can't explain according to the situation. You just have to understand it's a very point blank answer. Reconsider. Alright. And your miracle message here is I'm not the victim, I am the lighthouse. This is one of my favorite miracle cards. And true. As long as you keep feeling you're sick, you will end up falling sick. As long as you keep telling yourself, I'm doing good, I'm doing great, I'm moving forward in life, I'm just fine, you will start manifesting the same. So this was the reading for the second group. I hope it helps. The third group of people who have chosen the 7 chakra mala. By the way, this is one of my first malas. Nice. So put across your question to which I can answer you in a yes or no. And your answer is thankfully a yes. You're the only guy, you're the only group who's got a perfect yes answer today in the reading. Okay, be hopeful. The stars are going to shine on you. Things are going to get in balance. There's going to be new thought of process. Maybe in the past things didn't work out for you, they were slow, but now it's time. Everything is going to be fine. They'll be in your favor. Let's see a suggestion card. Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, your time has changed. Now is the time for you to see the results. You're going to see the fruits of your labor that you've put in through in the past. Your divine card is forgiveness. Beautiful. You're on a path of light, love and forgiveness. Father healing is possible at this time. Is it Father? Yeah. So blue talks a lot about throat chakra. I always say if something like this comes, probably you just need to acknowledge that, just don't forgive them in your heart. Go and tell the other person. Everybody's going through their own piece of troubles in their lives. Nobody's, maybe some people are perfectly living, but mostly people are having their own struggles. So it won't really harm you to go and forgive, like literally go and make things right with others. This is your suggestion. Your angel card here is, let's see, take action. Like I just rightfully explained you right now, take action with whatever you have thought of in your life. If you have really thought of mending your relationships or some things, like clearly says forgiveness, please do it right now. Your miracle message is to travel further on my path of personal growth. I call my own spiritual running buddies for help. And the running buddies, so-called spiritual, is nothing but your soul, your intuition. And maybe if you're watching videos like this is like an indication. God is not going to come down and sit in front of you and literally speak with you. He's going to send you mediums and ways to know your answer. So this is clearly a very beautiful reading for you guys. To travel further on my path of personal growth, I call on my own spiritual running buddies. I hope this made sense for you. That's it, guys. This was all for the reading today. I hope you liked it. Yes, it is all blah, blah. I was moving the camera a lot, but like I said, I was not in a mood to be like on your face and you had to see this. So anyhow, I hope you liked the reading. If you did, please do hit the thumbs up button and share my videos. Till the next time, bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bole.